snow, and boxes covered with bows. In our hearts, somehow the spirit just grows. It's time for dreaming of snow. It's time for love and for cheer, and wishes for a new year. Every child's face now is letting us know it's time for dreaming of snow. Laughter, smiles, and joy fill the air as our friends come to call. Down each street the children's laughter will grow as the flakes start to fall. It's time for dreaming of snow.